Hello everybody and welcome again to Smart Photo Reviews channel. After a bit of break because of the flu season here, we all got our share, but now we're back and ready for action. Here we have another bag by Peak Design. This Peak Design company has been around for quite some time, maybe several years, and they are fighting the competition with some very interesting innovations and products that can suit a lot of potential buyers. This bag we are having here today should be something that fits that rule. Let's start with the main strap harness system of this bag. This bag is named the Everyday Sling, 10 liters, because of its capacity. This strap you can adjust in 3 points. These 2 points are important to adjust if you want to change the orientation of the bag, because as it is adjusted now, you can carry it on this shoulder, and if you want to carry it on another shoulder, you have to release these straps and turn them the other way around, and then you can carry it on the other shoulder. You can adjust the strap here. It has a little handle, which is very, very convenient. When it's on your back, you just release this handle, tighten it or loosen it, and then put it back, and everything is in place. Regarding the rest of the exterior of the bag, these materials are very durable, water repellent. They seem to be possible to withstand very harsh weather conditions, but we haven't tested that yet because we didn't have some extreme weather conditions here. Something that this bag lacks is weather cover, which should be excellent addition to it. We'd like to add that this bag, as well as many of the Peak Design products, comes with a lifetime warranty. So if something happens to it, you will see if it really has that lifetime warranty or not. Regarding exterior, here's a handle for carrying the bag in your hand when you need it. Here's front compartment that you can expand by the means of these straps here. Also, you can contract or compress the whole bag by the means of these straps like this when you're not carrying a lot of equipment. You have the main compartment here, which is, as you can see, divided into 3 practically equal parts. Also, you have a little compartment here for storing your memory cards and batteries. What is interesting here is that this compartment has a black and a red markings here, so you can choose which of the markings will mark empty or used batteries or memory cards, and which one will mark full batteries and memory cards. On the bottom of this bag we have a place to carry some smaller tripod with us, which is excellent addition. Also, one unique system we have here as anti-theft zipper protection. You can release this loop of the zipper, then put it through this ring, and again zip it here, and this prevents the bag to be opened, so a thief cannot access your equipment easily. So it's a great addition. Now we can see how much of the equipment this bag can carry and how you can organize it inside of it. Here we have, for reference, Nikon or Nikon Z or Z6, whether you like British English or American English. So excuse me if I say either way, it's not intentional. We have a Nikon Z6 with 24 to 70 kit lens that we can put like this. Then we have a 35mm lens also. You can put maybe some wide zoom instead of this. And we have a adapted Tamron lens for Nikon Z mount, 70 to 200mm, that we can put here. This is practically all you will need, because you have wide zoom, maybe. Here it isn't wide zoom, but you can put wide zoom. You have a middle range zoom kit lens, and you have a telezoom here. So this can easily fit into this bag. Also, if you want additional equipment, you can put it here in this expandable compartment, like this Godox flash gun that I will put here. And if you need to carry even more equipment, then you have these parts on the side of the bag that you can put big design clips or some other bags by other manufacturers like Lowpro or something else to fit another equipment. So you can organize this bag to carry a lot of equipment with you. So let's see now how this bag fits on your back and on your shoulders when it is full. It is adjusted now to carry on the left shoulder, so I will put it on the left shoulder, and here it is from the back side and from the front. As you can see, it's on my left shoulder, and I can access the gear like this. It's pretty much fast and quick to access the gear, as you can see, in a matter of seconds. One other thing that is not so good is that it doesn't fit exactly well on my back. As you can see, it's more right oriented than it should be. So that's it. That's how you carry this bag with your gear in it. Except these three main compartments for your photo gear, you have additional compartment here for your laptop, and it can accommodate laptops up to 13 inches of screen diagonal. So let's conclude this review with cons and pros of this bag. First, good stuff. The size of the bag is very nice, very well thought, and you can put a lot of equipment in it. And it's very reasonably sized. Also, you have water repellent materials that are of high quality. You have these anti-theft zippers. I showed you how you can arrange them. You have that tripod mount here, and you have an option to expand or contract the bag as you wish. A few words about some cons or not so good stuff about this bag. First of all, this handle is not so wisely positioned because it doesn't balance well when you put all your gear in this bag. Then the main strap Could be a bit thicker to be more comfortable to wear. Also, if you want to wear it on your other shoulder, you have to release completely these straps and turn them other way around, and then you can carry it on your other shoulder. And as the biggest and most noticeable downside of this bag, we can add the way it is carried on your shoulders and on your back when it's fully loaded. When you put it on your back, it doesn't balance exactly well on your back, so it will move a lot with your gear on your back. So if you're into some kind of action, running or biking or something else, it wouldn't fit as comfortably as maybe some other options on the market. So that's about it. That was Everyday Sling 10 liters by Peak Design. Is this bag just right for you? That's up to you to decide. We showed you some good features, some not so good features of this bag, so you can decide whether it's for you or not. We hope you liked our latest review, that you enjoyed the time spent with us, and until next time, bye bye.